Winter is already here, and it's the best time to upgrade your thermostat if you haven't done so already. Whether you are on a tight budget or willing to spend a few more bucks on a flagship one, we have you covered. Let's get started. What if we told you could save up to 26% on energy costs annually? Yes, the ecobee Smart Thermostat can actually help you with that. It's not just a regular thermostat, it does more by taking care of your home health and security. This new design comes with thicker glass and a 50% larger display and a new metal body. The coolest part is it comes with built-in Alexa so that you can enjoy comfort right with a voice command. No matter the occasion, the technology here can help you get a cozy or chilly feel just right. It can even detect when you are home and when you are not, saving you energy instantly without requiring a manual shutdown. But that's not the end. It also comes with a built-in air quality monitor that lets you know the condition of your air at home. Next on our list is the famous Honeywell Home T9 thermostat, which offers unparalleled control and comfort with its advanced features. With Auto Home and Away mode, you can effortlessly adjust your thermostat remotely via your mobile device or let it intelligently respond to your schedule using geofencing technology. In addition, the smart sensors here boast an impressive range, allowing you to prioritize temperature in the rooms that matter most. Installation is also a breeze, requiring only a few simple steps. So get your hands on the Honeywell Home T9 thermostat and experience a new level of convenience and efficiency. Meet the Tado Smart Thermostat, your new heating champ. With its nifty app, you get to be in charge of warmth no matter where you are. It also helps you save up to 31% on energy. That means more money in your pocket. Just tap on the app and all your rooms get cozy for 30 minutes. It's like having a helpful friend. The app sends a reminder to turn down the heat if no one's home or a window is open. Plus, it gets along with almost every heating system out there. And guess what? It doesn't stop at heat control. You can even manage humidity levels through the app. Now, here is the all-time best-selling Nest thermostat from none other than Google. Although there is no updated version of this, it still rocks by providing a smart and efficient solution for maintaining comfort while minimizing energy costs. With its Save at Home and Away feature, it intuitively adjusts temperatures, conserving energy when you leave. Conveniently, control is at your fingertips through the Google Home app, allowing temperature changes from anywhere. Designed for easy self-installation in minutes, it offers remote control via the app or a simple swipe on the thermostat side. Supporting a clean energy future, it enables prioritizing cleaner and cost-effective energy sources. During winter, it keeps you cozy and your bills in check, while in summer, it automatically lowers temperatures when you're away, preventing unnecessary energy consumption. Lastly, we have the Wyze Thermostat. It easily fits with most home systems. You can change the temperature using your phone no matter where you are, and even turn it off when you're not home, keeping your pets comfy and preventing frozen pipes. Also, you can share control with family and guests through the Wyze app. It's friendly with voice assistants like Alexa and Google, so you can ask them to adjust the temperature. By the way, the Wyze app gives you tips to save energy based on how you use it, like a little energy-saving helper in your pocket. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to the Next Cube channel.